Okay. Alex, before anything else, meron lang ako siyang question sa kanilang lahat. Isa-isa tatanungin. One question for each of you. Ano ang pakiramdam na ngayon kinikilala kayo bilang legend? Teka. Isa-isa. Let's start off with Terry and Lali.
What would you say, Lali? We've been here for many years, so we feel honored because I think we've left a mark in the history and the legacy of dance. Yes.
Okay.
We're just proud to say that we're still kicking. Thank you, Lord.
Yes. Now, let's talk about from Penthouse 7. Sandy. Hi there, Sandy. I'm good.
Oo nga, hindi ka sumali sa amin. Dapat kasali ka eh.
Yeah, next time.
Promise.
Promise.
Okay.
How does it feel to be known or to be recognized as a legend?
Ibig sabihin, thunders. Well, it's an honor to be remembered. Doing what we love to do.
Yes, oo. At saka, to be called a legend, ibig sabihin talagang
Matanda.
matanda. Hindi, maganda. Huwag mo sabihin matanda.
Sige.
Diba?
Okay. Young one.
Nagagalit dito sa likod. Anyway, ngayon, itong maman to, tanungin natin to. Jojo of the Tiger, anong pakiramdam na kinikilala ka bilang isang legend?
Ano nga mo? Big Mac?
Big legend?
Actually, it's such an honor to be called such. Pero with it comes medyo, nasasabi nga na medyo, pag legendary comes with age. But I think it is a most opportune time to say that it's no longer just legends, but because of tonight, it's more dapat mobile legends.
Mobile legend.
Because of the mobility of all these people here, these are all legends.
Nakita ko.
My hats off to you. Such an honor and privilege to be just standing with them tonight. So,
Okay.
mabuhay kayo lahat. Mobile legends at higit sa lahat, living at hindi pa living na fans.
Living.
Living legends.
Ay, spell mo living.